Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And my people, I have a story right now to bring across to you. We take place in a Bronx, New York. And Bronx, New York is an area in America which is greatly populated with Jamaican people. Anybody who familiar with Bronx, New York and so know what me a talk about. And me go say this to you. A lot of people may want to live in certain place, but let me tell you this. Anywhere you go right now, in the world, where you have a lot of Jamaicans, it is almost like you're living in Jamaica. They are in a different country, but their mind not change. Their mindset not change. You still encounter bad mind. You still encounter deceiving people. And you still encounter a certain level of violence from your own Jamaican them. You think being in a different country now that makes different or something? No. Anywhere you go in the world where you have a bag of Jamaican in that spot there, it will be just like Jamaica. Believe when J Progress tell you that. And me go tell you now what happened in the Bronx, why me even say that. A 37-year-old Jamaican woman was killed early Saturday morning in the Bronx when her throat was slashed. She has been identified as Ashley of a Mount Vernon address. The police had up to yesterday not yet made any arrest in her DEATH, nor had they offered a motive for the dirtings of this woman. What could have caused Ashley to get her throat slashed in the middle of the street? Wagwan. However, alleged eyewitness in the Bronx claimed she was involved in an altercation. So this could have been the motive behind everything. They claimed that she was involved in an altercation with another woman. And the dispute spilled out on the streets where her throat was slashed in the midst of the street and left for DEAD. News and police reports are that the woman died after she was found outside a Bronx building with a deep wound to the neck on Saturday. Officers responding to the call of an assault in progress around 6:10 a.m. found the victim outside a two-family home on Oakley Street near E219th Street in Williamsbridge, the police said. The woman was unconscious, suffering from the deep gash to her neck, the lawman indicated. Emergency medical service rushed the woman to Jacobi Hospital, where she died of her injuries a short time later. The New York Daily News quote one neighbor saying that the house near where the woman's throat had been slashed was a frequent host to wild parties and otherwise bucolic street. So then keep whole heap of party in the year. There are some crazy party. We know party go already Jamaica style. Say them are not a normal party. So me now go put things down to party. Cause anybody can go to any type of party and no altercation no go on. You go to party to enjoy yourself and whatever. Right? And it wasn't a result of the party. Oh, this happened. Right? This woman and other woman have altercation which could lead to this. I am totally frustrated with the system. The cops have been here many times to deal with issues. This place is always like this, said a woman who only want to give her name as such and such. The police were tracking down surveillance footage that could help identify the attacker of the woman who slashed the woman throat and left her to bleed out in the middle of the street in a Bronx, New York. You see this 37-year-old woman that them find in the Bronx street? Them say a regular things go on in a them type of place there. And as me said to you earlier, when you see people leave Jamaica go to another country, many of them carry the same dirty, stinking attitude with them go to that country. Many of them carry the bad mind, the violence, the envy, the everything where you have in a Jamaica where you think they would have left because them get an opportunity now to make themselves in a different type of person and even make themselves a better life. But instead, them go to foreign and go there with the same style. Hence why you hear a lot of people where from Jamaica we tell you say them no want to live near no Jamaican. Anyway too overly populated with them fellow Jamaicans, them no want to live there. And you will have other people thinking that they are saying that they are better than their own countrymen and women. But that's not the case. That is definitely not the case. People say that because them know prevention better than cure. And them know say, anywhere in the world you go live, will ramp up with your Jamaican people them. You're liable to face the same things that we used to face at Jamaica with them because them carry the same dirty attitude with them. That's why when you hear enough time a man or a woman we say them avoid Jamaica company in a foreign. Them no go around them avoid them. Them no act like them better than them. That's not the case. That are the first thing people are going to think they're not better than them. But they know what them capable of and know say them no live together. Them no live in a harmony. Them no know about togetherness. Them no know about unity. Them no know about build together and create together. Them rather tear down them one another. Them rather tear down them one another. Look and look good in every country where have migrants. And look which set of people fight against them one another the most. And no one them go up the ladder. So I know sensible, you feel say some people sensible when them say me no want to go around them, make them stay over the and do what them a do. Me want them far from them. Or even me they in a place where them there, me no mix and mingle with them. Because you know what go happen. Not with all of them, you know. With some of them. Because some people get the opportunity and leave Jamaica and change their life. While you have some same way like they were in Jamaica is the same smaddy they in the people them foreign country. Them thieves same way, them bad mind same way, them covetous same way, them full of envy same way, them deceiving same way, and then we take your 3 pints same way, and we rob you same way. Nothing no different. Even though them get the same opportunity like you. Because when you get the chance from Jamaica to go to another country and you go and you make something of your life, them could have do the same thing too. Because the moment you get a visa or get a green card in a foreign country, you get the same opportunities like me. You can go back to school like that person. You can start a business like that person. You can hold on a regular 9 to 5 like that person. You can do 2 and 3 jobs like that person and save your money and do anything what you want. But no. The same bad mind and envy in a foreign. That is why how much people no hear say bring the violence from Jamaica to foreign and spill it out in a foreign same way. Is no different, my people. That's why me no have a problem with nobody when make the statement and say them no want to live where none of them Jamaican brothers and sisters them live. Them want to far from them and them now mingle with them. I can't blame you no. Me could have never blame you because remember, you have experience and see what happening in a foreign with enough people who go mingle and do this and do that. It's no difference. Me personally, I love my Jamaican people them. I love my Jamaican brothers and sisters. I love my country. But one thing me know all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, them meds. Remember when J Progress tell you that. So you see a wise man in building house up on the rock. You don't know me a talk about. One J Progress Entertainment. Believe no man. You don't have to ask nobody nothing, you know. And nobody now have to tell you nothing. I just one J Progress Entertainment. And me people, we on we way to 35,000 subscribers. Me they are 30.9k subscriber right now. And it's all because of you guys. And me take me hats off to you. Although me not have no hat for me head now. But me take out one of my ears strand them to you people right now. And me know we can go to 35,000 subscriber and beyond. Because you guys have taken J Progress Entertainment this far. So me know you can take me to 35,000 subscriber and well beyond. And believe, and me tell you one thing. I believe in you guys. I believe in you guys. And you guys are the only one who can bring me channel where me want it to go. That's why I love you guys so much. Believe.